This is all paint here. Paint. Paint. This is all the book. And the book. Oh, Daddy, I need to get that book then. Just in the book. The color. And this color. This one too. It's nice. I get documented. But the color is really darker.
This one, you got drawers in the bottom. This drawer here. This drawer here.
Open. Yeah.
And this is a 700.
Then.
48.
Yeah, because that size is more than 30. What we need. So this size
And
without.
they have it chocolate, cream, sterling gray, or white.
Yeah.
Those are the colors they
Are you
got this
copying
one.
but this is the size that we need, like this.
This one here.
That size. Oh, I like this. This Daddy. Not really white, but what do you call that? Color de gatas.
Yeah.
Color de
That's a
gatas.
49. No, that's a 48 Vanity. So that's that one.
But you know that big is only cost.
Include decorative cabinet, hardware, top. So the top sells separate.
Separate too.
Yeah. That's just for the cabinet itself. It's gonna be $529. No top. The top is 247. That type.
Yeah, but that size is bigger than what we need.
Which one?
This
you
is a 46 size.
You like this one?
I like the color, not really. Just the color. The color.
Don't like the cabinet.
I like the cabinet, but this is
Okay.
big.
It's got 460,000 $. Wow, that's so many.
You say you like that one too?
Not the color.
And that is called
Not the color, but the cabinet.
The cabinet.
I
Yeah.
told you which colors they have. Well, I have to order some. Okay.
No, not that kind of cabinet. Oh, okay. Yeah.
You got some more.
All the lights, guys. All the lights. Paying for the lights. See all the lights?
You like things like that?
No, I don't like this kind. I like those, but the style. So look at the lights, guys. We're looking for the lights. Vanity. Vanity. What you looking, bee? That's a nice bee.
Wow, these are so nice.
I like this. Like this.
These are so nice.
You select what you want, Daddy?
No, I want you to tell me which one you like.
Okay, hold on.
Then I can tell you my thing.
Oh, you did too?
I like.
You like what?
I like.
It's a cute kind here. That cute kind. Okay, guys. We are now in Lowe's. We're looking for the vicinity. So this is the one that we looked. Vicinity. Vanity. It's a nice countertop. This one here, nice. Vicinity. One vicinity there. It's very nice here. This is nice, guys. Vicinity. This one too. Oh, that's too heavy. So we just need to dang. Vicinity. I like the one that is not. That one, Dario. There are a lot of drawers. Like this, a lot of drawers. And this one too. Vicinity. This kind. It's a bathroom vicinity.